In this presentation, I'm going to show you the 3 simple ways you can increase sales with LinkedIn. While Twitter, Facebook, and YouTube are great for developing your online presence, LinkedIn can be more useful for generating leads and sales. While your competitors are busy sending out a barrage of tweets on Twitter and trying to get likes on Facebook, you can utilize LinkedIn to build an online presence and generate more high-quality leads. Here are 3 simple ways you can use LinkedIn to increase sales. Create a call to action. Instead of merely listing your name and title in your headline, show your network how you've developed others and how you can help them. Outline the benefits that you can provide, because that is what communicates who you are and what you do. Also, be sure to write a clear and concise call to action in your summary section to tell your connections precisely what you'd like them to do. It can be an email, a phone call, or just a visit to your website to subscribe to your mailing list. Even the simplest of messages can be extremely useful. Start an industry-specific LinkedIn group. One of the most effective ways to engage and excite your network about a specific topic is to form a LinkedIn group. Creating a LinkedIn group will also help you drive traffic to your site and increase sales. You can start by identifying the kind of group that you want to create and give it a name that communicates the topic. Then, reach out to well-connected individuals within your specific industry and let them know that you have started a group and would like to feature their expertise in live webinars. Finally, continue to add value to your group and provide a premium to members by offering your business services for a discount. Actively participate in LinkedIn's questions and answers. It doesn't matter what industry you're in, participating in LinkedIn's question and answer section can be extremely useful for developing stronger leads and increasing sales. The Q&A section is where current users can post questions and get answers from others in the network. To gain the benefits, make sure you are a resource that answers questions without hyping your brand. The key for using LinkedIn as a lead-generating tool is always to ask yourself how you can add value. If you can maintain this mindset, you'll find yourself on the right path for attracting new customers to your business.